It's Maymay and welcome to World Card Making Day 2022. Let's celebrate by having a sale. We're going to offer you some items that I think every card maker needs. Many of the items you may already have, so this sale will allow you to either refill what you need or get for the first time something you've wanted to add to your stash. I walked around our store, I picked out items I thought were perfect for a card maker stash and any paper crafter stash, but especially for card makers, and we're going to offer you 22% off those items. Now, the best part is you don't have to have a code of any kind. We've already built it into the sale, so when you add the items that are included in the World Card Making Day sale collection, they'll automatically be discounted at the checkout page at your final checkout page. So we hope you enjoyed that sale. We hope you have a wonderful day. I want to remind you too that today's video that goes up at 6 p.m. is going to be a great card making scrap busting idea. I think you'll be surprised what you have lurking in your scraps. Thanks so much for being a part of Maymay Made It and being a Made It. Enjoy your World Card Making Day, and until next time, bye now.